warmly welcome you all to this meaningful program, the free community medical surgical vision, handog ng Pangulo Bongbong Marcos. Today, we join all government hospitals, balita nationwide to simultaneous sa Natal District Hospital and other hospitals sa Philippines, bringing essential quality health services closer to our people. This mission is a testament to the government's commitment under the leadership of President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. to make excellent quality healthcare services accessible to every Filipino, to every possible people of farm.
Medicines. For Balindong District Hospital, hosting this mission is both an opportunity and a responsibility. Isa itong malaking bagay kasi mas matutulungan natin ang mga